Hey everybody!
everybody! We here at Anaphylactic Studios hope that you are doing amazing and that you are staying safe. My name is Chloe and I'm the producer of Peanut and Dreadnought Killer 2003.
And I'm Richie, our creative director. Today we will be starting our monthly devlog series here on YouTube.
In this video, we will be showcasing the major updates we've made in the newest version of Peanut and Dreadnought Killer 2003. Last month, on April 7th, we were fortunate to have the opportunity to showcase our game at Toronto's Level Up Showcase 2026. It was so amazing to see you all play with our beloved characters Peanut and Dreadnought Killer, and we wanted to give you a peek into the work we did since January to get the game to where it is now.
Stay tuned till the end of this video, where we will outline our exciting plans for the future of the Peanut and Dreadnought Killer universe. Spoiler alert, you'll be watching some gameplay while we explain these updates, so if you would like to solve the puzzles for yourself, you can return to this video after you've completed the game. With that said, here is the build showcase.
The first major update that you may notice if you've played our older builds are the changes in level setting. We've built out 4 environments: a subway station, an alley, a shopping district, a computer lab, and we added a brand new 5th level, the Mirai Chamber.
These new environments help better showcase Peanut and Dreadnought Killer's journey through the post-apocalyptic wasteland. They're super detailed and amazing to look at. Fun fact, each of our artists were responsible for creating one environment, so they all have their own personal touches. The 5th level that we added has an additional puzzle and wraps up the storyline of the 2 characters.
We've also added more storytelling elements to the levels. For example, we added the countermeasure heuristic for eradicating end-of-system errors, or the cheese, a yellow floppy disk that our friend Peanut will find along the way to help destroy the Y2K bug.
Another big change is the rework of Dreadnought Killer's lock-on mechanism. In the previous version of the game, you had to manually position a marker on top of your target. Our reworked lock-on instantly snaps onto a target, and you can switch between multiple targets in Dreadnought Killer's field of view. This makes you really feel like you're controlling a mech, and makes for easier targeting. We also added flavor text for everything you can lock onto, visible in the bottom left corner of the screen.
We've also reworked box pushing into box moving. You can now pull boxes and it no longer moves along a grid, which fixes soft locking issues and overall improves the feel of the game.
Finally, we've introduced progression checkpoints to clearly indicate what is required to progress to the next level. These checkpoints are marked by a glowing yellow border with icons that show you what you need to progress.
So what's next for Peanut and Dreadnought Killer? We're happy to announce that we are starting development on a bigger and greater game featuring your favorite mouse and robot. This all-new game will build upon the world that has been taken over by the Y2K virus and explore the origins of our titular characters. You can also expect many more puzzles and mechanics to interact with as we uncover the mysteries of this world.
What is Mirai? How did Peanut and Dreadnought Killer meet? How did mankind go extinct? These questions, among many more, will be answered in Peanut and Dreadnought Killer. Miracle Technologies, name subject to change. We will add some final touches onto the current-ish build of Peanut and Dreadnought Killer 2003 before moving on completely to the new project.
We also want to give a little shout out to Pitch and Concert for the super cute fan art. Thank you all for joining us on this first iteration of our monthly devlogs, and we will see you all again soon.